What is up, guys? Time for another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And today I'm going to be showing you one little trick that'll help you raise your conversion rates on your dropshipping store. So this is something that only relates with Shopify. If you have a Shopify store with any theme, this is going to help you out and raise your conversion rates a little bit. So this is something a lot of people don't really think about, a lot of people don't really look at and pay attention to. So some of you may know, some of you may not. But let's go ahead and get here on my computer. I'm going to show you what it is and how to fix it. And before we get into this video, guys, make sure you drop a like on this video if you like what you see. If you want more content like this, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment with any video ideas you have. But now, let's get on my computer and show you guys what's going on. Okay, so now we're here on the Shopify homepage. I just created this completely new random store. You know, it's nothing. I named it The Test Run. That's just some random name I made up while I was creating this account. So this is just completely random. I'm just using this for testing purposes to show you what's going on and how to fix your conversion rates a little bit. So this is something that's not going to raise your conversion rates a ton, but it's going to help a little bit because it is removing the Shopify branding. And what that means is, if we go here to my actual online store, so to go to the online store, you press this button here, it'll take you here, and of course there's nothing on here just because it's completely nothing. There's nothing here. If we scroll all the way to the bottom, you see right here, Powered by Shopify. You don't want that. If you click that, it's going to take them to Shopify to sign up. So you're basically referring these people that are going to your website to possibly buy something to Shopify just by leaving that there. That little text, those 3 words, Powered by Shopify, could lead to a lot of Shopify referrals. And you're not getting money from that. You're just basically promoting Shopify while using it. And I mean, this is a free theme, so you don't have to pay for it. So I see where Shopify is coming from putting that in there. But a lot of people don't know how to get rid of that or what it is and, you know, how it all works. So you don't need to know any coding or anything like that to get rid of this. It's just some very basic functions. I'll show you. It is a few steps to get that done. So let's go back here to my store, The Test Run. We're going to go here to online store. We're going to click that. And we're using the theme Debut. This is a pretty good one. A lot of people use this as a free theme. And I don't know about you guys, but I've never bought an other theme besides the free ones. I've always kept the free ones, you know, customize them to how I like them and how I want them to look. And, you know, I've been able to utilize that a lot and make sales with it. And, you know, really, I just don't think I need to spend money on a custom theme unless it's something that I really like. I really want to like upgrade my website. If it's a website that is lasting a long time, it's a long-term sales website, I'd want to buy a different theme to sort of upgrade the looks, make it look better, create more conversions, because the theme has a lot to do with, you know, creating sales. Because your website, that is basically your storefront. Like if you go to a McDonald's, you know, you see the whole store, you see everything, you're serving there, the pictures on the wall, the furniture and stuff like that. But with an e-commerce dropshipping store, it's just straight up, this is your website. You have to make it look good if you want to make sales. So we're going to go right here to Actions. We're going to click that. We're going to go to Edit Languages. And then now right here where it says Filter Translations. So we're going to type in Powered. I've done this before, so it knows. And you see right here, Checkout and System /links. It says Powered by Shopify right here. And all we're going to do is I'm pressing the spacebar one time. That's all I'm doing, pressing the spacebar one time. There we go. I just pressed it, and now I'm going to go up here and press Save. So it says Translations Updated. Let's go back here to the Test Run online store. We're going to refresh it. We scroll down, and it is not there anymore. It just says The Test Run. It does not show Powered by Shopify anymore. So this may raise your conversion rates a little bit by a fraction of a percentage. It's not going to be a whole percentage most likely because it's something pretty minuscule that doesn't take up a lot of space on your website, but it's definitely something that people may notice. Like for my stores, I like to put my social links, a privacy policy, refund policy, and stuff like that at the bottom. And if Powered by Shopify is down there too, then people are scrolling down to look at the privacy policy and stuff. But then there's Powered by Shopify, and they're like, oh, it's a Shopify store. I don't want to buy from them. Or they're going to click on it. It's going to be a referral to a store. And they're like, oh, these people just created a store on here. So there's just one little quick tip. It's super easy to fix. Get it all set up. Easy and done. That's all it takes. So I know this is a short video, but this is a quick trick I just want to tell you guys. I know a lot of people probably don't remove it. There you go. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.